Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Episode number 30. Ma, numero 30. Show us 3. That's right. Episode number 30. It's summertime. Our first episode was taken at Christmas time. So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and now it's August, and we have tomatoes that have been growing in the garden. And what we're going to do today, Nonna Pina, is we're going to make your tomato sauce. Now, let's be clear here. There's people that make bushels and bushels of tomatoes outside, and we used to do that. 5-6 bushels of tomatoes, and we would make 150 jars of tomato sauce. This is not what we're doing here today. What we're doing here today is teaching you how to make a quick and easy tomato sauce. You can use as many tomatoes as you want, but we're just going to make a couple of jars of sauce using these freshly picked tomatoes from the garden. Now, the best tomato to use is a Roma tomato. The Roma tomato has less water content, so it's a thicker sauce. Typical tomato sauce is used with Roma tomatoes, but we have these bigger tomatoes. We have some, I think, some cherry tomatoes in there. So there's a cherry tomato. This is everything from the garden. What Nonna Pina is going to do today is she's going to take these tomatoes and she's going to boil them. Aspetta, ma. Aspetta. Okay? She's going to boil them. The reason we're going to boil them is to remove the skin. Then at the end, we're going to go through a whole process, and we're going to be pureeing those tomatoes, and we're going to add salt, pepper, hot pepper flakes, oregano, crushed garlic, as you can see, onions, and the famous basil. So there is a whole process that's going to take place, and step number 1, Nonna Pina, is to get these suckers in the boiling water. Let's do it. Okay, so Nonna Pina, you boiled them, and that's to get the skin ready to be removed, right? Huh?
Yeah.
For the skin, pa bene, ma.
Yeah.
Let's see what you're gonna do now. Next step, remove the skin. Slow down, Nonna Pina. Let's see this. And you're taking the core out. So you let it cool for a little bit, Nonna Pina, for about 5-10 minutes. You let the tomato cool. Yeah? Ha fatto raffreddare, no? So Nonna Pina, you have taken the skin off of all these tomatoes, and we see the skin is here. So that will be put into the garden. She'll dig a hole in the garden and she'll put the skin there. Kind of natural composting. Okay? So, Nonna Pina, what's next? What are you going to do next? What are you going to do next?
Put in a...
Blender.
No blender.
Okay, and then?
After put a...
You're going to cook it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see the next step, and I'm looking forward to it. You're done your tomatoes. How many you got left? Last one? Good stuff. Okay. Smile, ma. Okay, Nonna Pina, so you have strained the sauce to remove the seeds, which are all there. And those seeds, ladies and gentlemen, she's going to dry them out, and we can use those to start the next cycle next year. She'll plant them. The seeds will then develop into a tomato plant, and we'll start where we left off. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, Nonna Pina. This has been going for, let's see here, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 45 minutes. Let's see how thick that is. Let's see. Pour. So it reduced by half, basically. It reduced by half. And Nonna Pina, it looks great. What are we going to do now?
Put it in a jar.
Okay, let's see you do it. Smile, huh? Okay, Nonna Pina. We're just gonna make some pasta. We're gonna make some, have some pasta with the fresh sauce that we just made. There we go. Some nice fettuccine. We've got some nice Parmigiano Reggiano. We've got our homemade tomato sauce that we just made. Does it get much better than that? Go ahead, Nonna Pina. Does it get much better than that? Ma, does it get better than that?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, it doesn't get much better than that, does it? Yeah, so this is completely fresh. You've seen this whole process now, and hopefully you appreciate the amount of work it does take to make tomato sauce. And to grow the tomato plants and to plant the seeds that then grow into the tomato plants. There's just a lot of work involved. So now, Nonna Pina, you're going to put some cheese first or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, mix it all around. Nice, sei rumina, ma. Okay. And then once it's in each person's plate, we're gonna have 2 plates here. We'll add some more sauce to your personal preference. Some people don't want too much sauce. Some people want more cheese, less cheese. That's completely up to you. Okay, well, Nonna Pina, put some little bit more sauce on mine because this will be mine. And top it with some cheese, please, Nonna Pina. That's perfect. Love it. Okay, top it with some cheese, please. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful episode number 30. Congratulations, Nonna Pina. Say bye to the lovely people.
Bye.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
Nonna Pina.
Bye.